heads when you walk through the door.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Springfield, Clark County, Ohio. The child was taken from 700 Selma Road, Springfield, Ohio at 5:22 p.m. on Friday, April 22, 2022. The suspect has been identified as Khadejha Coran, a 25-year-old African-American female who is 5 feet 6 inches, 200 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes, last seen wearing a white sports bra, gray pants, and a dark green or black jacket. The abducted child is Kaiden Coran, a 7-year-old African-American male, who is 3 foot tall and approximately 60 to 80 pounds with black hair and black eyes, last seen wearing an aqua blue shirt with no sleeves, dark blue shorts, and red/black Nike shoes. Please call 1-877-AMBEROH or dial 911 immediately if you see the child and/or the suspect. This concludes the emergency alert system message. Stay tuned for further instructions.